LangGraph implements a concurrent execution model with streaming token output, enabling real-time filtering of LLM-generated content by node origin. The system employs a state management pattern with typed dictionaries to coordinate parallel node operations while maintaining isolation between concurrent tasks. You will observe a graph initialization sequence that establishes two independent processing nodes, followed by a streaming iteration that selectively renders tokens based on node-specific metadata filtering. The configuration demonstrates how LangGraph's streaming architecture handles concurrent LLM invocations while providing granular control over output routing.
From typing, import TypedDict. From LangGraph, graph import start state graph. From LangChain OpenAI, import chat OpenAI. Model equals chat open or model equals GPT-4, 1 mini. Class state TypedDict. Topic, SDR. Joke, SDR. Poem, SDR. Def write joke state. Topic equals state and topic. Joke response equals model invoke. Role, user, content. F write a joke about topic. Return joke, joke response content. Def write poem state. Topic equals state and topic. Poem response equals model invoke. Role, user, content. F write a short poem about topic. Return poem, poem response content. Graph equals state graph state. Add node write joke. Add node write poem. Hash write both the joke and the poem concurrently. Add edge start, write joke. Add edge start, write poem. Compile. Hash the messages. Stream mode returns a tuple of message chunk, metadata. Hash where message chunk is the token streamed by the LLM and metadata is a dictionary. Hash with information about the graph node, where the LLM was called and other information. For MSG, metadata and graph stream. Topic, cats. Stream mode equals messages. Hash filter the stream tokens by the LangGraph node field in the metadata. Hash to only include the tokens from the write poem node. If MSG, content and metadata LangGraph node equals write poem. Printmsk content end equals flush equals true.
This code demonstrates concurrent LLM execution with selective tokens streaming in LangGraph. The pattern uses a state graph with two parallel nodes, write joke and write poem, that both invoke the same LLM model concurrently, each processing the same input topic independently. The key mechanism here is the stream mode equals messages configuration, which enables real-time token streaming from LLM invocations, paired with metadata filtering to isolate output from specific nodes. The implementation shows how LangGraph's streaming system handles concurrent operations by yielding tuples of message chunk, metadata, for each token generated. The metadata includes a LangGraph node field that identifies the source node, allowing the consumer to filter tokens by origin. This approach is particularly useful when you need to process or display outputs from specific parallel operations while they're being generated, rather than waiting for all operations to complete. The trade-off here is between complexity and responsiveness. While this pattern provides real-time updates from concurrent operations, it requires careful handling of the streamed data to avoid interleaving tokens from different sources. The code specifically filters for write poem tokens, demonstrating how to maintain clean output streams when multiple LLMs are generating content simultaneously. This technique is valuable in applications where you want to show progress from specific parallel tasks without waiting for all operations to finish. Let's break it down.
From typing, import TypedDict.
Imports TypedDict from the typing module, which enables creating dictionary types with specific key value type annotations for type checking and code clarity.
From LangGraph, Graph import start state graph.
Imports start and state graph from the LangGraph graph module, providing a starting point constant and a graph construction class for building stateful workflows.
From LangChain OpenAI, import Chat OpenAI.
Imports the Chat OpenAI class from the LangChain OpenAI module, providing access to OpenAI's chat model functionality within the LangChain framework.
Model equals chat open or model equals GPT-4, 1 mini.
Creates a Chat OpenAI instance configured to use the GPT-4, 1 mini model. This instantiates a chat model interface that will use the specified model for generating responses when invoked. The variable model now holds this configured chat model ready for use in the application.
Class state TypedDict.
Defines a state class that inherits from TypedDict, establishing a type-hinted dictionary structure for representing state data in the application. This creates a strongly typed container where keys and value types will be explicitly declared, enabling static type checking and IDE support for state management.
Def write joke state.
Defines a function named writeJoke that takes a single parameter, state, with type annotation state. The function signature indicates it will operate on or modify the provided state object, though the implementation details aren't visible in this segment. The colon at the end marks the start of the function body that would follow.
Topic equals state and topic.
Extracts the value associated with the key topic from the state dictionary and assigns it to a variable named topic. This retrieves whatever topic value was previously stored in the graph state for use in the current context.
Joke response equals model invoke. Role, user, content, F write a joke about topic.
Invokes a model with a user message requesting a joke about a specified topic. The input is structured as a list containing a single dictionary with role set to user and content containing the joke prompt. The result is stored in the variable joke response.
Return joke, joke response content.
Returns a dictionary with a single key, joke, mapped to the content of the joke response object. This packages the joke content into a structured format for output, where the actual joke text is accessible via the joke key.
Def write poem state.
Defines a function named writePoem that accepts a single parameter, state, with type annotation state. The function signature indicates it will operate on or modify the provided state object, though the implementation details aren't visible in this segment.
Poem response equals model invoke.
Invokes the model to generate a response and assigns the result to the variable poem response. This is a direct call to the model's invoke method, which triggers the model to process input and produce output, though the specific input parameters aren't visible in this segment. The result is stored in poem response for later use.
Role, user, content, F write a short poem about topic.
Creates a user message in the format expected by LangGraph streaming system, where the role is set to user, and the content is an F-string that generates a prompt asking for a short poem about a specified topic. This message structure is used to stream LLM tokens with metadata, enabling real-time updates of the poem generation process.
Return poem, poem response content.
Returns a dictionary with a single key, poem, mapped to the content of poem response, packaging the generated poem content for output.
Graph equals state graph state.
Creates a state graph instance using the state class as its state type. This initializes a graph structure where nodes will operate on and modify instances of the state class. The graph variable now holds this newly constructed graph object ready for node and edge definitions.
Add node right joke.
Adds the right joke function as a node to the LangGraph workflow. This registers the function as a processing step in the graph, making it available for execution when the graph runs. The node will be invoked according to the graph's execution flow, and its output can be streamed if the graph is configured with stream mode equals messages.
Add node right poem.
Adds a node named writePoem to the graph. This node will be part of the graph's execution flow and can be invoked during graph traversal. The specific behavior of this node depends on how writePoem is defined elsewhere in the code, but this line simply registers it as a node in the graph structure.
Add edge start, right joke.
Adds a directed edge from the start node to the right joke node in the graph, establishing that the right joke node should be executed immediately after the graph begins processing.
Add edge start, right poem.
Adds a directed edge from the start node to the writePoem node in the graph, establishing that the writePoem node should be executed immediately after the graph starts.
Compile.
Compiles the LangGraph workflow into an executable graph structure. This method call finalizes the graph definition and prepares it for execution, enabling the streaming capabilities and node relationships defined in the graph to be operational.
For MSG, metadata and graph stream.
Iterates over a stream of tuples from the graph, where each tuple contains an LLM message chunk and associated metadata. The loop unpacks each tuple into MSG, the token or message segment, and metadata details about the graph node and LLM invocation. This enables real-time processing of LLM outputs as they're generated within the graph.
Topic, cats.
Creates a dictionary entry with the key topic and the value cats. This represents a simple key-value pair where the topic is explicitly set to cats.
Stream mode equals messages.
Sets the streaming mode to messages for LangGraph, configuring it to stream LLM tokens with metadata from graph nodes where an LLM is invoked.
Hash to only include the tokens from the writePoem node. If MSG, content and metadata LangGraph node equals writePoem. Printmsk content end equals flush equals true.
This conditional statement checks if the message content exists and if the metadata indicates the token originated from the writePoem node. When both conditions are true, it prints the message content followed by a pipe character without a new line, ensuring immediate output display. The flush equals true parameter forces the output to be written immediately rather than buffered. This implementation showcases LangGraph's concurrent execution model with selective token streaming, where two independent nodes, writeJoke and writePoem, process the same input topic simultaneously. The key mechanism is the stream mode equals messages configuration, which yields tuples of LLM tokens paired with metadata containing node origin information. By filtering tokens using the LangGraph node field in metadata, the system isolates and displays only the poem generation output in real time while both nodes execute concurrently. This pattern demonstrates how LangGraph maintains clean output streams from specific parallel operations without waiting for all tasks to complete, though it requires careful handling to prevent token interleaving from different sources. The trade-off here is between implementation complexity and the responsiveness gained from real-time updates, making it particularly valuable for applications needing to show progress from specific parallel tasks during generation.
The poem's tokens dance in the stream, while the jokes tokens sink into metadata's abyss.